Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a review on this Trader Joe's face mask trio that I picked up from Trader Joe's back during the holiday season. So this was in the beauty section at Trader Joe's. It contains 3 different masks. Each mask is 2 fluid ounces and it retails for $6.99. So each mask ends up costing about $2.33. I've been using this trio basically since December. Let me open the box here. You get a Refresh Clay Detox Mask that claims to remove impurities and deeply cleanse the skin. It features bentonite clay and kaolin earth clay. And then you get a Renew Pineapple Papaya Enzyme Mask, which gently exfoliates and replenishes the skin with pineapple and papaya extract, and aloe juice. And lastly, you get a Restore Rose Gel Mask, which hydrates and tones the skin with rose flower extract and rose flower oil. All the instructions for these 3 masks are the same. Apply mask to clean face and neck, avoiding eye area. Leave on skin for 10 minutes. Rinse well with warm water and use 2 to 3 times a week. This is the one I've used the most. It is a pretty standard clay mask. The ingredients include water, bentonite clay, kaolin white clay, vegetable glycerin, titanium dioxide, that's kind of interesting, orange peel oil, glycerins, fragrance. I feel that's a little bit easier to apply to the skin than some other clay masks I've used, especially ones that I've mixed up myself using like the Indian healing clay. I think it's because it has glycerin in it. This is a very smooth, easily spreadable, like light blue kind of clay. It smells like citrus and lavender. It's very unisex, kind of spa clean kind of smell. I don't think it's as effective as the Aztec Indian clay. It's not gonna suck out all of the gunk. This is more of an everyday clay mask if you want to use it more frequently, because it's not as drying as those other ones, even for my dry skin during the winter time. The reason I've used so much of this is because I was using a coconut oil cleanser and my skin doesn't love coconut oil. Sometimes it breaks me out. So I was using this as sort of a second wash or cleanse. I would just put it on wet skin and then sort of, you know, rub it in with circular motions and then just wash it off. I think that's a pretty good use for this product as well because it is so easily spreadable and thin and light. This isn't the best clay mask I've ever used, but if you're looking for like a clay cleanser, this is certainly very reasonably priced. It smells great and I think it works well. It's not too drying, which I love. The second mask is the Pineapple Papaya Enzyme Mask. I have been reading more and more about how you should be using enzymes and chemical exfoliants rather than physical exfoliants. So I was really interested in using this since papaya and pineapple contain enzymes. But this has a gritty texture that I couldn't quite place my finger on what it was made of. I thought it was sugar at first, but upon reading the ingredients, found out it's actually pumice. Pumice on my face is a little bit scary because I use a pumice stone on my feet. This smells so good when you open it. This like pink lemonade kind of color and scent. It's very refreshing smelling and I like the way it feels as it goes on skin. It does sting a teeny bit, but not much. The thing that I like the least about it is that as it warms up or something, it starts turning. Like the smell, honestly, it smells kind of like feet to me. And I noticed that I'm not the only one who thinks this because when I was reading through reviews of this trio, some other people said it smells like pineapple gone bad. I don't actually think it smells like pineapple. See that pink lemonade kind of color? It's nice. It's not a pineapple scent, it's just like a sweet fruity kind of scent. But the sweetness kind of goes bad. It might be the aloe juice in it, I don't know. I like the look of this, I like the scent going on. I really don't ultimately like this product because of the scent, because of the pumice in it, which, I mean, it's definitely not as rough as St. Ives, but I don't think pumice is probably the best thing to be putting on your face. And third of all, I don't actually see that much of a difference in my skin texture and things like that after using this. Especially with everything I've read about how enzymes and chemical exfoliants are supposed to be really good at resurfacing the skin and making you glow and things like that. I don't really see those effects with this product, so I don't really recommend this one. It might work better on someone else's skin. If you can put up with the smell. I don't think the smell is a deal breaker, but it definitely is off-putting, when, especially the closer you get to the time when you take it off. It just smells really weird. And then the rose gel mask. I was kind of slow to warm up on this product because it kind of reminds me of the fresh rose mask, although this is way more of a gel-based product. That one is more of a, it feels like glycerin with like rose petals and other things mixed into it. That one has a more like dead, dry rose kind of scent, which I actually like. It's very brown colored, and I don't know, it really feels like you're just like smoothing some like natural homemade paste onto your skin. This one is much more, like, it feels more commercial. It's definitely doesn't have chunks of rose in it. It's a nice light pink gel, and it smells like fresh roses, like tea roses almost. And it has the same claims basically as a fresh brand rose mask. Hydrates and tones skin. The ingredients include water, vegetable glycerin, wow, something really long. Starch, phosphate, rose flower extract, rose flower oil, rosehip oil, benzoic acid, purple carrot, beet juice, red cabbage. Probably for coloring. I love that Trader Joe's does not use artificial coloring. I didn't think I would like this that much, but the more that I've used it, the more I like it. I don't know that it really hydrates the skin because when I leave it on for the full 10 minutes, it actually starts pulling on my skin and like feels really tight. But I definitely notice that it makes my skin much softer. So this does help with softening your skin. I don't know that it's hydrating or really toning it. I haven't really noticed a difference in the tone of my skin or anything like that. I kind of wish this was like a sleeping mask or something I didn't have to wash off. I don't know why. I could probably leave it on without washing it off, but I'm not gonna go against the instructions. So overall, I probably wouldn't repurchase this set. It is a very good deal. For $7, you get 3 of these masks. I just didn't think that any one of them was really that amazing. I think there are better products in each category out there that might cost a little bit more but are just generally more effective. I've never used another enzyme mask, so I really don't know if there's a better product out there, but I just didn't really even see any results. But if you are on a budget, this is a perfectly great trio to try out. As far as I know, this set is only available during the holidays, and I'm not sure that they have the same trio every year. But it's worth checking out. Keep an eye out for them during the holiday season. I think it'd make a good gift for someone who is into skincare and likes trying new things out. So that is my little mini review of the Trader Joe's face mask trio. Let me know of other skincare or like beauty products you've tried at Trader Joe's that you really like, that you think I would like as well, or just want me to try out. And I certainly will try to get my hands on it. I know that Trader Joe's has recently introduced a rose line around Valentine's Day this year. I haven't been to Trader Joe's since before Valentine's Day, so I haven't seen them yet. I am semi-interested in trying out the rose toner spray or whatever, facial spray, but we'll see, because it's always so hard to get my hands on things around these parts. There aren't that many Trader Joe's in New York City, so things sell out pretty quickly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and thought it was helpful or at least entertaining. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below for me. Thanks as always for watching and for subscribing, and I will see you in my next video.